everyone, this is Ashley from the Potomac Bead Company, and I'm here to talk to you about these new great resin cabs that we just got in. We have them in a variety of sizes and colors. They are injection molded resin made by a company in Germany. This is the same company that makes the Luna cabs and also the really great laser cut beads, pendants, and components that we sell. So like I said, we have them in lots of sizes and colors. Here, let's start with these. They are 12mm round cabs, and they have these really fun flower prints on them, so that's one kind. And we also have them in 10mm rounds, and we have them in like this shiny pearly, and we have like opaque, and then we have these fun like marble colors, and they come in pairs, so that's great for earrings. We have them in ovals. These are the 10x14mm. Once again, we have marble colors and that nice pearly texture, so you wanted something like that. Those also come in pairs, great for earrings. These are the 18x25 cabs that we have, the oval ones, and once again they have different textures. So this one is like opaque and it has some white dappling in it, almost like looks like marble or Corian or something, so that's pretty cool. This is a marbled or swirled one, just like the other small ones. And this one, if I pick it up, maybe you can see the beautiful tortoise effect that they've created. The cab is somewhat transparent in places and other times not, so it makes that great effect. We also have them in 3 sizes of round cabs. You ladies know, and gentlemen, that round cabs are sometimes hard to come by, especially in gemstones. So this would be a great replacement for that if you were looking for a really nice round piece and you couldn't find the one that you wanted. These would be a great fill-in for those. So we have them in 24, 22, and 18mm round cabs here. And once again, they have these really nice marble swirls to them. It gives them that natural effect, brings in some of those natural colors. Great addition to your projects. And then they also have these really fun 18x25 oval cabs that have these really nice effects to them. So this one kind of looks like abalone. It's got some of that metallic in there. These all have kind of like the more crinkly metallic, gives it kind of more of a rough texture while still being smooth to the touch. So they're really neat. They kind of look like little galaxies inside your cab. So those are fun to use also. These are a great addition to your bead embroidery projects. Anna here created a focal piece using one of the round, actually this specific one right here, round cab. So they make a great focal piece while not being super heavy, being nice and light if you're worried about your project being too heavy, if you're doing a big embroidery piece, or if you're making earrings. These are a great replacement for, say, gemstone cabs because they're going to be lighter. They're still going to give you that natural tones that you want, and they're going to be less expensive as well. So there's one of those pieces. We also sell some bezel settings for these that are fun. We have a big one. If you wanted to do like a focal, you could use one of these oval cabs and just glue that in. And then it has this nice loop on the bottom. You can add tassels to it or other beads or something else that you'd like to hang. It would make a great focal for a necklace. And it has this really nice bail too. You can see it's really good quality piece here. We also have some smaller bezel settings that are the connectors, and these are great for if you wanted to put a connector or something on or in your long, like if you had long necklaces that you wanted with multiple strands, or these would be great for earrings. You'd put your ear wire up here and you can attach again like a tassel or some beads or whatever and make a nice set of earrings with those as well. We also have specifically for earrings, because they come with the ear wire, so you get the bezel setting with the ear wire, and Bridget has glued in some of these nice 10mm round cabs, the pretty green and turquoise ones, so you can see how beautiful those look with some resin cabs glued in there. So we have a lot of nice choices with the patterns and the swirls and the different textures and the effects, and then we also have really nice components that you can use with them in creating your projects. If you're interested in buying any of these products for your project, you can go to potomacbeads.com, or you can see our new site soon, potomacbeads.eu. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get regular updates about new products like this and some of our exclusives as well. You can share this video with your friends. Maybe someone might be interested in these cabs and you thought of them. Go ahead and share that video with them. You can stay connected with us via Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest, as well as join our beading group on Facebook. It's a group of ladies that like to get together, share their pieces, share inspiration, and they're there to help you out if you have any questions. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy making wonderful things with these beautiful resin cabs.